and straighten and sit. Straighten and sit. Right, see how our center of gravity moves into the middle and down. It's like that, kind of piston mechanic. Nice. Sit. Give you a little boost, help you out. Good, you're a little bit late going forward. It hurts? Okay, well don't hurt yourself, take it easy. You can not go quite as far forward too. You want to stop or you want to keep going? Right. I can also boost you around. Oh, well, no, that's going to happen. Straightness is overrated. And push forward now. Yeah, you're just a second late on that forward. So try to go forward now.